Paul Roberts here. Today is February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm wearing red for Valentine's Day today. Better than my gray shirts I've been wearing. Well, today is the finished up, closing up a shop for the day. To just give you a total of what we've done or what I did today as far as starting insurance. Wrote a couple policies here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 policies that we got started today. One of them was a manufactured home policy, one's an umbrella policy, an ATV policy, an earthquake policy, and an auto policy. All those are kind of interesting. They're all different, and the one that I want to tell you about a little bit is the earthquake policy. Well, no, you know what? I talked about that yesterday. Why don't I instead talk to you about the umbrella policy? Not everybody knows what an umbrella policy is. An umbrella policy is an excess liability. The scenario is easiest one is you cause a car accident, and with that car accident, you injure somebody severely, maim them for life or something like that, and they sue you for everything you own, and you have a net worth of $1 million or more, and so they try to take it all from you. Your auto policy, the most coverage you can typically get on a car insurance policy is $500,000, $500,000. So the umbrella policy, if you purchase $1 million umbrella policy, it gives you an additional $1 million on top of that $500,000 umbrella or auto policy. So therefore, you'd have $1.5 million total coverage. That scenario I talked about, where the person tries to take everything from you, your insurance policies combined, the auto and home, would then pay $1 million or up to $1,500,000 for that lawsuit. You could then keep your stuff, and away you go. Everybody's made whole as much as we can with financially. So anyways, this family bought an umbrella policy for $1 million, and it was less than right around $350 a year. That's all it was. So it's not a ton of money for an umbrella policy. Good coverage if you need that. If you have more than $500,000 in total assets, that's really a good route to go to get that. An umbrella policy also extends over not just your cars, but your homes, your boats, everything you own essentially and have insured. So it extends that liability over everything. And if you have in my situation, the reason I get involved with the umbrellas, a lot of companies require that your auto and home be with the same company in order to, your auto and home insurance policies both be with them in order to give you an umbrella policy. I have special markets where I can get an umbrella policy if your auto's with one company and your home's with another. So that's where I get involved. That's where it becomes a special little unique policy for my clients. So the other thing I want to share with you, a way to tell what your net worth is, a real quick way to figure that out roughly is think of this. If you were to sell everything you own except the clothes you're wearing, so literally your house, your cars, everything, all your furniture, all the extras in your house, cashed out all your bank accounts and paid off all your debt, you're gonna have a pile of cash left over, hopefully. If you don't have a pile of cash, you don't need an umbrella. But if you have a pile of cash left over, that's your net worth. That's an easy way to figure out what your net worth would be. A financial advisor might be able to more tell you what your actual net worth is, and maybe you check it out with them as well. Your financial advisor could tell you for sure whether you need an umbrella policy or not. Anyways, that's all I have for you tonight. Let me tell you, so I wrote those 5 policies, and total money brought into the company tonight, or today, was $690. So much better day than yesterday where I was less than 100. That's it. You guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Signing off. We'll see you later. I'm going about saving the world one insurance policy at a time. Have a good night.